Good morning, children. Welcome back to Maths online class. Today we are going to discuss about number system. Open your textbooks, page number 79. Open your textbook, page number 79. The second topic is number system. What is the second topic in this chapter? Very good. Number system. The system of grouping numbers together is called the number system. What is that, Nana? The system of grouping numbers together is called the number system. There are two type of numerations. How many type of numerations are there here? Yes, very good. Two type of numerations are there. One is the Indian number system and another one is the international number system. What is the another name for Indian number system? Very good. Hindu-Arabic system. What is the another name for Indian number system, Nana? Hindu-Arabic system. And international system, what is the another name for international system? Western system. Okay, children. Next, the Indian number system. The Indian number system. Here is the place value chart for the first 9 places in the Indian system of numeration. Here is the chart. I am going to teach this chart. Okay, children. Now, see in your textbooks. Now see here, children, this is the place value chart of Indian system. This is the place value chart of Indian system. One see here is the periods. What are that? Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. These four are the periods. Next here see the places. See here, Nana. In ones place there are 3 divisions are there. Ones, tens, hundreds. These are the 3 divisions of ones. And again thousands has the 2 divisions. What are the 2 divisions here? Thousands and 10,000s. Thousands and 10,000s. Next lakhs. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. What are the 2 divisions here? Lakhs, 10 lakhs. Next crores, 10 crores. Next what is this one, Nana? Crores, and this is the 10 crores. This is called as the place value. These 4 are belongs to the periods and these are called as the places. And once see here, this is the short form. Once means we wrote 0, no? Like that. 0 means once means 0. Tens means T. Hundreds H. Thousands TH. 10,000s TTH. Lakhs L. 10 lakhs TL. Crores C. 10 crores TC. This is the short form. Once see here, Nana, this is the period and this is the places, and here is this one what we call, this is the short form. These 9 places have 3 digits for the right of the group into ones, hundred, tens, hundred. This is the right side is there, no? That is the 3 digits for the right of the group. And then the next 2 digits grouped into thousands. What are the next 2 digits? This is grouped into the thousands. Again 2 digits are the lakhs and again the 2 digits are the crores. This is the chart. Reading large numbers. Reading large numbers. To be able to read large numbers without difficulty, we use commas or leave space to separate the digits of a number into groups starting from the right. Each group is called a period. I already told here. Here ones has 3 places, thousands has 2 places, lakhs has 2 places, crores also has 2 places. While you are reading the large numbers, we have to keep the commas or leave some space for the numbers to easily reading. Okay, Nana? ఈజీగా చదవడం కోసం ఏం చేయాలి? ప్రతి పీరియడ్ దగ్గర కూడా మనము కొంచెం ప్లేస్ అన్న వదిలేయాలి, లేకపోతే హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ ద కామాస్. ఓకే, నౌ హియర్ see here. Digits of the same period are read together. Again digits of the same period we have to read that together. One see here is the one number is there. Here again one box is also is there, no? The box, no? Read this large number, children. Very good. 98 crores 76 lakhs 54,321. Each digit of the same period. Each digit of the same period means this is the 2 different digits, but it has only same period. So we have to read this together. We have to read this number together. Okay, how we will read this number? 54,000. This is a thousands period. No, that's why here we have to read the 1,000. Okay, children, what is this total number here? 98 crores 76 lakhs 54,321. 321. And coming to the next one, see here the number 98 crores 76 lakhs. Here with commas means like this. We have to write the number 98 crores 76 lakhs 54,321 with commas, or give some place between the two periods. We have to give some place with space. Okay, Nana? He is reading as 98 crores 76 lakhs. Next 54,321. This we are to read like this. Okay, next coming to the next one. Writing large numbers. How we will write the large numbers? See, write the numerical first 70 crores for 4 lakh 36,092. ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ ఒక నెంబర్ ఇచ్చాను నాన్న. దీన్ని మనం ఎలా రాయాలి ఇప్పుడు? ఓకేనా, ఫస్ట్ మనం ఎలా రాయాలో చూద్దాం. ఫిల్ ద నెంబర్ ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ చార్ట్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద పీరియడ్స్ అండ్ ప్లేసెస్. First of all, we have to write the ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. This is the, what is this all? Yes, periods is there, no? First we have to write all the periods for easy identification. And again we have to write the short form is there, no? Short forms here we have to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Short form we have to write. According to the numbers, we have to write all the numbers. See here 70 crores. 70 crores means this is a 70 crores period. No, right here 7070. Next 4 lakhs. Only one digit number is there. Children, observe here. Only one digit number is there. No, so keep here 4. In the 10,000 place, nothing is there. So we have to imagine that here 0 is there. Okay, Nana? Next 36,000. 36,000. Here 2 digit numbers are there. No, right here 10,000 plus 3 and the thousands plus 6. And next 92. 92 here. Nana, observe here. Hundreds place is not there. Hundreds place is not there. So we have to imagine that here hundreds place the number is 0. And the which number is there again? 92 is there. No, 92. Now see here. Now fill all the vacant places with 0. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎక్కడైతే ఏ నెంబరు లేకుండా మిగిలిపోయిన ఉన్నాయో డిజిట్స్, అక్కడ మనం ఏం ఫిల్ చేయాలి? బై యూజింగ్ ద నెంబర్ 0. వెరీ గుడ్. నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెంబర్ హియర్? 70 crores 4 lakhs 36,092. 92. Total the number is like this. Okay, children, got it? Now turn the page. Okay, turn the page, Nana. Page number 8080. Place value in Indian system. Place value in Indian system. Each digit in a number has a place value depending on the place it occupies. Here, Nana, see here, every place has a place value. Here, see, each digit in the number has a place value. Each digit has a place value. Each digit has a place value depending on the place. Depending on the place, each digit has a place value. Look at the number here. One number is there. What is the number here? 45 crores 17. Very good. 17 lakhs 36,209 in the place value chart. This is the place value chart. Nana, once observe here. Yes, by using the numbers here we have to write all the places. Here is the 9 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, and 2 is in hundreds place, 6 is in thousands place, 3 is in 10,000s place, 7 is in 7 lakhs place, 1 is in 10 lakhs place, 5 is in 5 crores place, 4 is in 10 crores place. Okay, Nana. Now by using these numbers we have to write here the number by multiplying the same number. See here 9 is there. 9 into 1. Here 1 is there, no? So 9 into 1 means 9. 0 tens. 0 tens. Tens means we have to multiply with the number 10. 0 into 10 means what? 0 into something means the number already 0, no? So keep here the number 0. Next 200s. Hundreds means what is the value here? 100 is there, no? Yes, here 2 is there, here 100 is there, no? 2 into 100 equals to what is that number? 200. Next 6,000s. 6,000s. 6 into 1000. 1000 is there now. Keep the number here. 1000. 6 into 1000 means 6,000. Next 3 10,000s. 3 into 10,000 means 30,000. Total the number here is 30,000. 7 lakhs. 7 into 1 lakh. 7 into 1 lakh. 7 into 1 lakh means what is the number here? 7 lakhs. Very good. Next 1 10 lakhs. 1 into 10 lakhs means what is the number we get here? 10 lakhs. Next 5 crores. 5 into crores is equals to 5 crores. Next 4 10 crores. 4 into 10 crores means 40 crores. The place value of the number increases 10 times from the right to the left. How many times it increases, Nana? Very good. 10 times the number increases from the right to the left. For the right to the left, the number increases to the 10 times. Okay, Nana? 10 times it was increasing. That's why here we are multiplying the numbers. Okay. What we get the total number here? 9. 0 into something means 0. 2 into 100 means 200. 6 into 1000 means 6,000. 3 into 10,000 means 30,000. 7 into 1 lakh means 7 lakhs. 1 into 10,000 means 10 lakhs. 5 into crores means 5 crores. 4 into 10 lakhs means 40 crores. Got it, children? Next, coming to the second next one. Expanded notation. Expanded notation. Do you know the expanded form, children? Do you know the expanded form? The previous class also we discussed. Previous class means in your 4th class also we already discussed it, that one. What is that? Expanded form means, once again I will repeat that. Now see. Let us see how the number, here is the number. See here, what is this number? 48 crores, 27. Very good. 27 lakhs 56,319 is written in the expanded form. Once see here the number for what we have to write here. What I told at first of all we have to write the periods. What are the periods? Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. These are the periods. Again we have to write the short form. Total notation number is there. No, this notation number here we have to write the number. See here. First of all what we have to write? This is the periods. First of all, we have to write the periods. Next, again, we have to write the short form. Short form is there. No. That short form here we have to write again. After completing that, in ones place, which number is there? That number we have to write here. In tens place, which number is there here? 1 is there. That number we have to write here. And again, hundreds place 3 is there. That number we have to write here. Okay, got it, children? Total this number belongs to the ones period. Total these two numbers belongs to the thousands period. Total this number belongs to the lakhs period. Total these two numbers belongs to the crores period. Okay, children, now see here. Ones period is there, no? Yes, ones period means 3 hundreds, 1 tens, 9 ones. So 300 means 300 plus 10 plus 9. Why? Because 3 into 100, no? 300 means 300. 1 tens means 110. 9 ones means 9. And next to thousands, 56 is there. 56,000. 56,000. 56. First of all, we had read 56,000. 50,000 plus 6,000. Total what we get this one? 56,000. 50,000 plus 6,000 means 56,000. Next lakhs plus 20 lakhs plus 7 lakhs. Total what we get? 27 lakhs. Next to 48 crores. 40 crores plus 8 crores. 40 crores plus 8 crores. Total what we get here? 48 crores. What is the last result answer? See here, Nana. What is the last result answer here? 40 crores plus 8 crores plus 20 lakhs plus 7 lakhs plus 5,000 plus 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 9. Total this number is the expanded notation. Total this number is the expanded notation. Now coming to the box. This is the very important. Two boxes are very important, Nana. See here. 10 ones means 110. 10 ones means 110. 10 ones means 110. 10 tens equals to 100. 10 tens equals to 100. 10 tens equals to 100. 10 hundreds equals to 1000. 10 hundreds equals to 1000. 10 thousands equals to 1 10,000. 10 thousands equals to 1 10,000. 10 thousands equals to 1 lakh. 10 thousands equals to 1 lakh. 10 lakhs equals to 1 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs equals to 1 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs equals to 1 crore. 10 lakhs equals to 1 crore. 10 crores equals to 1 10 crores. 10 crores equals to 1 10 crores. 100 thousands equals to 1 lakh. 100 thousands equals to 1 lakh. 100 lakhs equals to 1 crore. 100 lakhs equals to 1 crore. These two tables are very important, Nana. Textbooks page number 81, the first Roman. See, Nana, first Roman. Rewrite the following numbers using commas to separate the periods according to the Indian place value chart. According to the Indian place value chart, and write them in words. See, Nana, this is the homework. This is the homework. First of all, I will tell one. Again, rest of the 6 or 7 are there. No, this is the homework, Nana. మీరు చేయొచ్చు దీన్ని, ఎందుకంటే ఈ చాలా ఈజీ నెంబర్ వర్డ్స్ రాయడం మీకు అందరికీ వచ్చు కదా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద హోంవర్క్. See here, rewrite the following numbers using commas to separate the periods. As first of all, we have to keep the commas. First of all, what we have to do? First of all, we have to keep the commas. This is the number. For example, this is the first one is the number. See children, this is the number. By using this number, I am keeping the commas. See here, 1 2 3. After 3 digits we have to keep 1 comma, after 2 digits, and again after 2 digits. Total, what is this number? 36 crores 29 lakhs 48,405. 405. By using the commas, we have to read the number very easily. So now what we have to write here? We have to write 36 lakhs. First of all, 36 lakhs. By write them in words also, no, again మనం వర్డ్స్లో రాయాలి. సో మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ హెడ్డింగ్ రాయండి. హెడ్డింగ్ రాసి 1 అని పెట్టేసి ఈ నెంబర్ మొత్తం రాయండి. రాసి నెంబర్ నేమ్స్ మీ అందరికీ రాయడం వచ్చు కదా నాన్న. మనం 3rd క్లాస్లో నేర్చుకున్నాము, 4th క్లాస్లో నేర్చుకుని మనం అగైన్ నవ్ ఆల్సో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ దట్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకేనా? సో ఈ నెంబర్ నేమ్స్ మొత్తము మీరు రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ హియర్? 36 crores 29 lakhs 48,405. And again see here, first of all, must and should keep the commas. It is very easy to identify, to write. ఓకేనా? commas పెట్టుకున్నామంటే చాలా ఈజీ మనం రాయడం. ఓకేనా? 48 crores 68 lakhs 42,931. Like this we have to write. Okay, now see here the second Roman, write in figure. Write in figure. This one also homework, Nana. Write in figure. మీ అందరికీ చాలా ఈజీ కదా ఇది. రైట్ ఇన్ ఫిగర్ అంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ మనకి నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను మీకు చెప్తాను, మిగిలింది మీరు రాయండి. ఓకేనా? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్? 12 crores 10 lakh 545. 545. Here once observe these words, Nana. Once observe these words. Here there is no thousands place. Here there is no thousands place. See here, 12 crores. First write here 12 crores, comma. Next 10 lakh. 10 lakh means keep here 10 lakh. And is there thousands place? Is there, Nana? Not there. So keep here happily zeros. And keep the comma. 100 and which 100? 545. So 545. Very easy. And get one more. Second one I will tell. The rest of the 3 are there, no, that you have to write. 6 crores 62,107. 107. Once observe here children, there is no lakhs place. Here there is no lakhs place. So here 6 crores, no, first keep here 6 and keep the comma, and thousands lakhs place is not there here, so easily keep here numbers 0 and keep the comma. 32,000. 32,000. 107. 107. Rest of the 3 is homework, Nana. Rest of the 3 homework. Got it, children? Very good. Third Roman, write the place value of each digit using the Indian place value system. By using the Indian place value system, here we have to write the place value of each digit. Okay children, now see here, what is the first sum here? Children, this is the total number. At first of all, we have to keep the commas to read the large number. 3 digits after, we have to keep 1 comma, 2 digits after and 2 digits after. So total, what is this number? 98 crores 76,000 54 lakhs 321. By using this number, we have to write the, which one we have to write? Place value chart. Place values, we have to write each and every digit, we have to write the place value. Now see here. Solutions in Anna. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the number. So here what we will write? 1 ones. 1 ones. Next this one. 2 tens. 2 tens. Next 3 hundreds. Okay, Nana? 1 ones, 2 tens, 3 hundreds. Next 4 thousands. 4 thousands. After 4 thousands, what is the number here? 5 is there, no? So 5 10 thousands. 5 10 thousands. Write that one. 5 10 thousands. Next 6, and again 6 is there, no? 6 10 thousands after 6 lakhs. 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 6 lakhs. Next 7 10 lakhs. 7 10 lakhs. 7 10 lakhs. Next 8 crores. 8 crores. 8 crores. Next 9 10 crores. Once see children here. 1 ones, 2 tens, 3 hundreds, 4 thousands, 5 10 thousands, 6 lakhs, 7 10 lakhs, 8 crores, 9 10 crores. This is the place value of each digit. Okay children, got it, Nana? See the second sum here. What is the total sum here? 12 crores 3 lakhs 4,567. Total this number is this one. So what we have to write? This is the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10 thousands, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay, by using these numbers we have to write the place values of each digit. How we will wrote in the first sum, like this we have to write the second one also. Okay children, got it, Nana? సెకండ్ సమ్ ఇస్ దేర్ నో. దిస్ సమ్ మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే క్లాస్ వింటున్నారో అప్పుడే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఈ సెకండ్ సమ్ నాకు హోంవర్క్ లాగా చేసి పంపించాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫస్ట్ సమ్ నేను ఎలా అయితే మీకు చెప్పానో సేమ్ ఈ సెకండ్ సమ్ కూడా యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా అలానే మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ రఫ్ నోట్ బుక్ ఓపెన్ చేసేసి ఈ సెకండ్ సమ్ నాకు చేసి ఎవరు ఫాస్ట్గా పంపిస్తారో వాళ్ళు గుడ్ మార్క్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇట్లా నేను ఎప్పుడైతే మీకు సెండ్ చేయమని చెప్తున్నానో అప్పుడు మీరు సెండ్ చేసండి, వాటికి మార్క్స్ ఉంటాయి నాన్న. ఓకేనా నాన్న? ఓకే, మీరు ఇది ఎలా అయితే ఫస్ట్ సమ్ చెప్పానో అలానే రాసి నాకు పంపించండి. ఫోర్త్ రోమన్, find the place value of underlined digit. Here we have to find out the place value of underlined digit. Here this total number, what is this total number? First keep the commas. Very good. What are the number here? 38 crores 7 lakhs 23,567. Which is the number place here? This is the 8 crores. 8 crores. So here we have to write the 8 crores. Number 8 crores number this is. Okay, next here see children, here again keep the commas. Okay, it must and should be large number unante must and should ga mana commas pettali. Okay na nana? Now see what is the number, total number here 48 crores 97 lakhs 63,142. Which is the number this one? Which number there is underline? 7 underline is there. Under the 7 there is a underline. So which is this one? Ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000 lakhs. So this is the lakhs. Lakhs place. Okay, now coming to the third one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So total what is this number? 40 crores we have to write here. 40 crores. Okay children, got it Nana? Very good. I know you are very good children. And next keep the underlines. Now see here children, what is this total number? 45 crores 83 lakhs 29,416. Underline is there, 9 is there now. Here underline is there, 9. So what is the number here? 9,000. 9,000. Okay children, are you following Nana? Very good. Children, must and should complete your work and send to my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubts, call me. I will clarify your doubt. Thank you children. See you in the next class. God bless you children.